So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can build a digital online school website. Yes, you hear that right. This project, you need no coding experience. You just have to follow my step by step how you can set up this exciting school website. This is a modern school website, and I'm very sure that in the digital age, most of the schools on the island and also on the mainland and everywhere around Lagos, Nigeria, Africa, worldwide, every school now wants to have a website so that you can showcase. It's a page that helps to advertise your school. So what's the purpose of a school having a website? Is to a digital marketing whereby you can tell someone that, okay, search my school on Google, because then we have done what we call the SEO, which is search engine optimization. So once you put in the name of your school on Google, it's going to bring out information about your school, including your school website. And once they click on your school website, they're going to take them to your school web page, and they're going to see about your school. So all the content you want people to see about your school is what you're going to upload. So it's going to take as much content you want to tell about your school on the internet, and people sees it. If they like what you're doing, they love your event, your teachers, your gallery, your notice board, your curriculum, everything is so much of their expectation, they will just go to the contact. So let's go to the contact page right here. They'll just head straight to the contact, and they're gonna see your mail, your address, your phone number, and your number also. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm going to, okay, so if you zoom out, because I'm using a very high zoom out, that is why the letterings were that way you were seeing. But right now you can see it looks okay. So they come to the contact here, and they are going to be able to what, contact you. And you can also move all your school functionality online, like new users or visitor can register online, and already registered students can have a login portal online whereby they can log in to submit their assignments, maybe during those time of the coronavirus, or if there's a pandemic, or if there's any sort of crisis that had to give every school a break of coming to the school main campus for lectures and for teachings. They can have their teachings and their lectures online. So they will have a login whereby the student can log in, the teacher can log in, the administrator can log in, the parent also can log in, the librarian can log in, the accountant can log in, even the driver can also log in. And they will have a portal whereby they can be able to communicate with each other, have classes, submit assignments, do a lot of things, even printing of results, creating of ID card, everything can actually be done. And you're just going to move your school from offline to online, and whether there's a pandemic or there's an holiday or there's anything, the normal school educational system continues online. This is the powerful part whereby we and everybody in this current generation are not taking their school online. So I bring you this tutorial on how you can actually set this up. If you're a developer, maybe you're having difficulties on how to develop it, or you have a school and you want to take your school online, maybe you are a tech savvy in one way or the other, you don't want to involve in much expenditure, you just want to have a concept of how you can set up a school website, or how you can just manage yours, you can actually reach out to this video, and you're gonna have it straight ahead. So if you love what doing this channel, ensure you do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button, which is on your YouTube page, and like, share, subscribe. It's going to go a long way. And if you are going to be setting this up, I will highly recommend you to a hosting company that you won't have issues, because not all hosting companies are the same. Some have better performance, some have high performance, some have premium performance, and the likes. So it will be very better you go through my affiliate go through my recommendation, so that when you peradventure get this project from me, you will not be having any installation difficulties or operational difficulties. Okay, so you'll be using my affiliate link to purchase hosting and domain, of which I'm going to explain later on in this video. So for now, let's see what we have. So I just newly set this up. I've not really done much upload on the site, so it looks a little bit scanty, and it just looks the way you send it on the screen. So we've not created any event, we only have one teacher created, and we can go to the notice board. So we've not created any notice board, so we're going to create all of these, and you're going to see how they interact with your website. So upcoming and past events. So we have teacher, only created one teacher. So if you have multiple teacher, they're going to display it. So gallery also, there is none. And then contact content, then we have online admission, so they can apply for admission online, right? They can do that. So what I'm going to do right now is so let's log in as the admin. So this is the login of both parents, teachers, students. They can log in from this end. Then we have another end for, let's see if we have, okay, we have even up to the admin. The admin uses this link, I guess. Let me check for the admin. I'm not so sure if this is the link for the admin, but it could be possible. Okay, it's also the link for the admin. So we're logged in as the admin. So let's see from the administrative end what this school project entails. I also have fantastic projects on school website also, which I will be doing immediately after this one. So any which one that you feel suits your project or your school, you can just contact me and you will get the project right away. Alright, so for the dashboard, we have the dashboard which you're seeing right here, online admission. So the admin also can take admission. The admin can register a student, and the student or the pupils can also register online. It also have attendance. So let's see for users. So let's see the users that can be on this school platform. We have the admin, we have the student, we have admission, we have teachers, we have teachers permission, we have parents, we have accountants, we also have the librarian, right? So that is for the user. Let's see for academic, we have daily attendance, we have class routine, we have subjects, we have syllabus, we have class, we have classroom, we have departments, we have event calendar. Wow, that's great. So for those of us that are already into school business and school career, you should know what all that means. So for the exam, we have the marks, we have the exam, we have the grade, we have the position. And for the accounting, we have the student fee manager, expense category, expense manager. Then for the back office, we have the library. Under the library, we have the book list manager, we have book issue report, and we also have the session manager, add-on manager, notice board. Then for the settings, we have the system settings, we have the website settings, we have the school settings, we have payment settings, we have language settings, and we also have the SMTP settings. That is the setting that is responsible for sending mails from our school website. So we're going to touch each and every one of these one after the other, so we see how the interaction is being swiftly done. So let's see staff, other staffs. So we already have one parent, one teacher, one student. Okay, so the librarian, the accountant, all those will be under staffs, so we have to create for them. So let's start from accountant. So we're gonna add new accountant, so you're gonna select all of those. So for the accountant, I can say Josephine. Josephine. Josephine Mark. So our email address will now be what? Let me say Pings Credit. And then for password, you're gonna enter the password that we know. Phone number. So gender, accountant, let's use female. If we go and use male now, I can log into Sportybet. So this accountant, let's just use female. Sometimes they are more thrifty. Alright, so we've created an accountant. Let's go to Libran. Let's create a Libran. Then for the Libran, let's say Mary Agnes. Mary Agnes. Then let's say Pings debit. Pings debit at gmail.com. Then password, you just enter the password that you know. So gender, let's say still female. Blood group, let's say all our girls are healthy. We don't want anybody that cannot walk. Oh, sorry, the image is already taken. Pings debit. Okay, let's use Pings Connect. Or let's use Pings Red. Okay. So what else? Let's even see for admin. So we can also create admin. Are you getting it? This one will not be like manager or principal. Admin off, so you select school. So you can create. I'm coming. Let me see school settings. Does it mean the school can create branches? Let's come to school settings. Okay, updates. This one is to update. Okay. Now I get. So we can also edit page slider. Look at those sliders image, and we can change the text of those slider on the home page. So from the front end, you can edit the front end from the admin. Education is the most powerful weapon. Yes. Then notice board. So we can add new notice board. So let's click on add new title. Let's call it career day. Career day. And let's say career day should be on Monday. um career day, then let's asterisk it. So let's say on the career day, all, let's say each and every pupils pupils and students are to be dressed on their, is it on their or in their, dressed in their career costume. So show on website, then photo. So you can go online and we can just search career day. Images. So let's see this one. This one has multiple career. Let's see this one. That one was not clear. So let's go back and insert that image. So let's save this notice. Okay, let's see something. Let's view website and let's come to notice board. So as you can see, career day. This project is so awesome. So we can go ahead and create more careers and see how it's going to look like. So we can go ahead and add new career. So let's call this um, show and tell, or let's say read to me day. Read to me. Read to me. Then under read to me, we can now say every pupils and students are to have a are to have, okay, let's use an article to be read to the audience. So let's say read to So let's see. So I want to subscribe. So let's check if our network is back. Our network is actually back. Let's just take something like this. Okay, let's head back to, at least we've downloaded one. Okay, so these are you we create um notice board. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create event. So let's go to academic events, I guess, event calendar. So add new event. So let's add an event. So let's call this sports event starting from today, ending today, or let's say tomorrow, and it's going to end the same tomorrow. Save event. Let's add new event. So let's call this home economics. Home uh, home economics. Home economics. Cooking practical. So let's say this should be, okay, today is Friday. Oh, that one was Saturday. Do they call it Saturday sport? Oh my god damn it. Okay, let's put this Wednesday. And let's put this Wednesday also. So what event we've done sports. Sports is mostly Fridays. So let's edit. So it's gonna be Friday of, okay, is today. It's today, right? Today is Friday. So let's save it. Then we're gonna create another new event for the next Friday. So the next Friday is 20th. The next Friday is also 20th. And we'll still call this sports. So let's say this one is event fruits day. So let's see our site and let's see how it looks like. So if we come to events, okay, okay, let's go back home. There's one place I saw ordinary event calendar. Okay, so we're still on you. So let's view our site. So on our notice board, we have this on our notice board. Event upcoming and past. Teachers. Gallery. Okay, let's see for the gallery. Let's see for the gallery. So let's just be clicking each one of them. So admin, student, okay, admission, teacher, teacher's permission. So select the class. Let's say just 1A. So Mr. Emeka marks no attendance, no. So this project is so slick, so awesome. Academic, let's see for academic. Daily attendance. So we can take attendance. So on this day, select class JS1, JS1A, show student list, Orike Prosper, present, update attendance, right? We can take another attendance again, JS2, JS2A, show student, no student, JS1, JS1B, show student. Okay, it's only one student to have created. Okay. So let's see class routine. That should be timetable now. Let's see add class routine. Class session, subject, teacher, classroom day, starting hour, closing hour. So this one will be for first. So you create some for first period, you create another on second period, you create another on third period, you create another on fourth period, short break. So let's see for class. For JSS1 session A, subject mathematics, teacher assigned, let's say Mr. Emeka, classroom, JSS1 class, right? So starting hour, so let's say it's going to start, how can it be AM? So it's going to start AM of, let's say, 8 AM. Starting minutes, that is 10 minutes past 8. So ending hour is going to end 8:50, or let's say 2 hours, right? No, 2 period, that is 40 minutes, that is 80 minutes, that is 60 plus 20. So the next 20 after 10 is 30. So it's going to end at 9:30. 9:30. So let's add, oops, okay, select day. Okay, on Monday. Okay. So let's add. So we've created class routine. We can go again and add another class routine. So all those is what we call period. You see that this period is also slick. So subject. So let's say for class we only have mathematics for JS1 and literacy. Mathematics and literacy. Then syllabus. Let's see for the syllabus. That should be the curriculum, right? So title, let's call this Nigeria curriculum. Nigeria curriculum. So curriculum, curriculum. What did I space before Control Z? Okay, it's 1L. Curriculum. Okay, curriculum, not column. Okay, so for, let's say JSS1, they are going to attend. So so it's mathematics, Nigeria, so syllabus. So you can choose that, okay, it's a zip file. Let's say a zip file of 30, so they can download it, and you understand. So it can be any file, it can be zip file, it can be PDF, it can be PNG, it can be JPEG, it can be any kind of file. But this one is very high, it's very large, so it's going to take a lot of time. we should have uploaded something like 5 megabyte. That is about 30 something megabytes. So it's gonna take a lot of time. So but successfully, so that is syllabus. So we can say for JSS1 we have a syllabus, so you can go ahead and download it. So the user is going to sit like this and we're able to what, download it. So once you click on download, it starts downloading. Start doing what? Downloading. So we're going to cancel. Damn it, cancel it. Alright, so let's see for class. We've created class. We've already created class. I've created class. Classroom, department, science, commercial, art, um, event calendar. This event will get appeared at users backend panel event. Okay, the school is not supposed to, public people are not supposed to see it. It's only the user that can actually see it. Are you getting it? It's the user that can actually what, see it. So visitors should not see the event going on so that they don't bust it up. So that is pretty much of what I can blog right now. If you need access to this resource, you can actually contact me. As you can see right here, this is my cPanel where the files are located. So let's go to our control panel right here. So as you can see, in the dashboard, this is the control panel, which we mostly call the cPanel. So if we come right here and we checked on our site, you're gonna see that it carries the domain. You can see portal.davismissionschool.com.ng. So I'm the developer of this school website. So I'm the developer of this website. That is why you can actually see me mentioning that. So let's go straight to the cPanel as I told you guys. So if we head straight to the file manager right here, you're gonna see where the files are. So if I come to Portal Davidson, as you can see, this is the files of the school. So if you need access to these resources, I can actually give you that on a very fair price. So just reach me out on my WhatsApp number. Is going to be on this video description, and you just get it straight ahead and you start developing your site. So at this point, I'm going to make another video tutorial on um, how you can actually set this up. So this is an automated installation process, so it's not really difficult. It's just a one-click installation process. So if you love the project and it suits what you want, so I'm logged in as the teacher right here, so you can see what the teacher can do. Also users can do more, that is the student. Okay, let's see for event calendar. Okay, this is what gonna happen. Let me log out. Okay, let's even log in as student as also admin, and let's see so that you can see what student can do, parents can do, admin also can do. So this is the login, right? So these are, so let's see alpha fund. Let's see this guy right here. Okay, so we're actually logging in. So let's log in as this. Let's see if this is a, okay, this is a teacher. So let's see what the teacher can actually do. So recent event, we have sport, home economics. You can see the event showed up on the teacher's portal. Are you seeing it? On the teacher's portal we have the event, and the let's come to academic right here. Let's see event calendar. So as you can see, the teacher can't create but can view. Are you getting? You can even expand to see how it looks like, right? You can see. So let's log out and let's see. Okay, let's see what you can do with a student. Let's see what a teacher can do with a student. So let's select a class. Okay, let's filter that. Then profile, edit. Okay, you can edit. So let's see for academic, daily attendance, class routine, subject, event, syllabus, subject. Let's go to exam, marks, exam. So let's see on the marks. Let's see back office for this guy. So we can actually give this guy a lot of permits. Let's see daily attendance. Okay, the teacher can take attendance. Let's say class routine. Okay. Okay, you can just view. You can view, right? You can view. You can view. Then they'll need to submit it to the head teacher. The head teacher will not be able to upload it. Alright, so let's log in as a student. We use Alpha Fund. So let's see Pings credits, also Pings info and Pings connect. Okay, this is accounting. Student fee manager, expenses, everything manager. Let's say student fee. Okay, take single invoice, add mass invoice. That's we want to upload. You want to import and export of financial records. Okay, expense category, add expense category, expense manage, add new expense, that is for textbook, for fuel, for transportation, all of those. So this is going really good. This is going really good. So we've done for credits, we've done for Alpha Fund. Let's do for info. Let's do for info, then we'll do for the last one. Oh, info is the school admin. Okay, so credit,